So this is the problem I'm facing. Look at this. This is the Boox Palma2 Pro. I'm just gonna do a simple password. 8, 8, right? 4 8s. Okay. Right. 8, 8, 8. Look at that. It doesn't accept the password at all. 8, 8, 8, 8. And this leads me to the problem where earlier I had apparently set up my password and accepted at that time, but then I could never get back in. So this is definitely a weird bug. So let me try 1, 2. Okay, let me start over again. Fingerprint did work. Okay, so there's definitely a password issue on here, at least for me. I'm wondering if anybody else experiences. 1, 4, selecting the password. 1, go. See that? It doesn't accept it. Like, I did 1, 2, 3, 4. You saw me do it. The second time I tried to do it, it doesn't think that I put in the correct password. And this is how I got locked out of my Boox Palma 2. And luckily, someone else told me how to reset the whole thing. And that was on Reddit. Thank you to this person here, RS Plat PC, is that you turn off your unit. Just if you can't get back in. Unfortunately, this will wipe everything. You turn off your entire Boox Palma2 Pro unit, and by holding down the power button over there on the right hand side, and then you choose power off. And his instructions, and they work perfectly, was to, after this is powered off, hold down the power button for more than 8 seconds. I counted to 10 just in case. And that's just like, so right now it should be like off. All right, so I hold down the power button, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then release. Then press this button 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that loads up a sort of a bootloader, gives you instructions on the top, and then you can go ahead and format and reset your device that way. So now it's loading into, I believe, the bootloader, BIOS, whatever you want to call it. I'm not sure what the official name is, but there probably is one. It takes a little while to get there. And I have instructions at the top where you can use these side buttons to choose what you want to do. One of them is the factory reset. So unfortunately, once you reset it, of course, it wipes out all the data and you just start from scratch, completely from a brand new unit. I believe this is a firmware issue. It is affecting the most recent firmware, which is October 30th, 2025. I reported it to Boox. I don't know if they're going to do anything about it. Hence why I'm doing this video, just in case anybody else experiences the same thing. All right, now I think it's still loading. So, but when it comes up, it will have a screen where you can have a select. Oh, here it is. So this is the recovery. Oh, sorry. It is called the Android recovery. And I guess the settings, the Android recovery is pretty similar to other Android phones. I'm not a main Android phone user, so you use these buttons down here. I found that you can actually do a touchscreen, but it's better to do this and then select which one it is that you're going to do. And obviously in the case that I did was I did the wipe data factory reset, so I had to start all over. But since I already did that, I guess as far as security wise, if you do your fingerprint, that's okay. But later on, when you need to set up the fingerprint section worked, but later on when you want to set up your PIN code, if it doesn't work, then you could get locked out. So just be prepared for that until maybe they fix this issue. So that's my current release of the firmware. All right, hope this is useful to someone out there. Please just like, subscribe for more. I'll catch you next video.